This video demonstrates how to configure a NAT44 policy to translate both source and destination IP addresses. Twice NAT translates both source and destination IP addresses of a packet. It combines source NAT and destination NAT and applies to a scenario where Internet PCs need to use public addresses to access Internet servers. After receiving a packet, the device matches the packet against all the filtering conditions in a NAT policy. The device translates the source and destination IP addresses of the packet according to the NAT policy only when the packet matches all the filtering conditions. If a packet does not match the filtering conditions of the current NAT policy, it will be matched against the next policy in sequence. If the packet does not match any NAT policy, NAT is not performed on the packet. The following steps demonstrate how to configure Twice NAT to meet the specified networking requirements. An enterprise has deployed a web server on the Internet to provide services for external users, and a security gateway at the network boundary to protect the Internet. The address of the web server on the Internet needs to be mapped to the address of a WAN interface on the device, and the IP addresses of Internet users need to be translated to the WAN interface address for accessing the web server. Before configuring a NAT policy, complete basic Internet access configuration according to network planning, which is not shown in this video. Choose Policy NAT Policy NAT. Click Create to create a NAT policy. Set NAT mode to Twice NAT. Enter the policy name. Time range specifies the effective time of the policy. In this example, NE is selected, indicating that the policy takes effect permanently. In the packet before NAT area, set packet filtering conditions. Device A performs NAT only when all conditions are matched. Set SRC, security zone/interface to the security zone where the LAN interface of device A resides. Set SRC, address to the Internet user subnet internal_users. Set dest, address to device A's WAN interface address web_server to map the IP address of the web server to the WAN interface address. For service, select services as required. In this example, select HTTPS and HTTP services. In the packet after NAT area, set the source and destination IP addresses and port numbers of packets after NAT. Set SRC, address translated to designated IP and enter the IP address of the WAN interface on device A. Set SRC, port translation as required. In this example, select Use Original Port first. Set dest, address translated to the IP address of the web server. Set dest, port number translated to a port number of the web server. In this example, set it to 443. After verifying the configuration, click Save. A dialog box is displayed, prompting you to determine whether to add a corresponding security policy. Click Yes. The system delivers the NAT policy configuration and automatically generates a security policy to permit access traffic from Internet users to the web server. Click Add without creating security policy to add a NAT policy without generating a corresponding security policy. In this case, you need to manually configure a security policy to permit access traffic from Internet users to the web server. Otherwise, NAT cannot be implemented. In this example, click Yes for the system to automatically generate a security policy. When Internet users access the web server, choose ONM, Network, Session details to view the corresponding session. Click View Details to view NAT details. Thank you for watching.